Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having the further ado. So this video is going to be the routine of 4th October 2024 of the day Friday. I know that you are noticing that maybe you are noticing that my background because from the last too many days, majority of the days I shoot on where backside you were usually showing the curtain, but today I'm shooting this video to the ground floor just because of this some reason. That's why you will get to see this background, right? So basically in this video, as I already told you, that I'm going to tell you the routine of 4th October 2024 of the day 303, and today is the Friday. So before going to this start this story video, I just only wanted to tell you we have already completed day 300 and our next target is day 365. So let's start. Basically today I woke up at around 10:55 a.m. And now you guys noticing that why I woke up at 10:55 a.m. The thing is that because from the last night I went for the sleep very late just because of this some reason. Yeah. So this is the reason. But I don't know why my shirts, it's going to deep down like this, and my this banyan looking this. I don't know what we call banyan in English. Maybe banyan is an also English word, but in Bihari terms or in Hindi term we can say ganji. This okay, right? So yeah, basically as I already told you, I woke up at around 10:55 because last night I went for the sleep very late. After that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came home, and yeah, after that I've done usual activities like that. I washed my mouth, and after that I've taken the bath, and after that I brought the cloth, and after I wear the cloth, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. Okay. uh, yeah, so basically guys, this is the thing what actually happened. And after that I ate rajma chawal. Whenever I told you I ate today, I ate rajma. So I feels very funny just because we call rajma in English that is kidney beans, because the shape of rajma is like kidney beans. That's why we call them kidney beans, right? So after that I came first floor, and basically I didn't done too much thing throughout the whole day, if I tell you seriously. And after that what he had done, let me tell you. Yeah, I've shooten the previous day's routine video so that my remaining videos will not be get more and more and more, because guys, you know what happened when when I don't shoot video at too many days, then it seems like very overburden, and I have to shoot. You know guys, maybe I've shooted in the previous day's routine video like 8 or 9 days routine video in a single day. That's on the time I feels very bad why this all the kinds of thing happen. But nowadays I'm improving, try to shoot as a best possible manner whenever I get a possible time. So I have to do, and I have to shoot that day's routine video at any case, no matter what happens, right? So yeah, so basically this is the thing what actually happened, and I hope you have really enjoyed till here while listening this video. But you know guys, one thing I am listening that why I am speaking that you have enjoyed. Basically my videos is not enough good to that you have made enjoy. What is the thing to make enjoy? I'm just telling you my routine. When what's the enjoying thing here is, I don't know why it's happened, but maybe something what I am doing nowadays, and maybe you will get to enjoy my routine by listening my routine, that I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, such kind of interesting work. That's why you maybe some get enjoyed about this after listening these all the kinds of things. But yeah, I think it's good if you came here if you came here and you are beginner in English or any intermediate, so you can improve your listening skills while watching my videos, right? So yeah, so at the time around 6 7 p.m, at the time 6 7 to 6 7 p.m, at the time of evening around, I today I again came to the ground floor and I ate rajma chawal. So basically this is the thing what actually happened. And yeah, so yeah, after that what he had done, yeah, basically guys, after that I went to the first floor, and at the time of night I didn't eat food. After the what is actually happening, something in my throat, I don't know why. So basically after that I went to the first floor, and after that what I had done, let me tell you, I used phone, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what actually happened today. I hope you have really understand this video. If you have really understand this video, then you please like it, because if you like some videos, really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So one thing I also wanted to request you, that if you found any kind of mistake whenever I speak in English, like any kind of mistake, like in a grammatical mistake or English error mistake, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I can improve my English speaking skills, and I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me, right? So yeah, this is all what happened. So if you know that maybe you don't know, but my average video speed will land minimum 10 minutes, but we have completed right now only 5 minutes 38 seconds, right? So I need to talk to you at least minimum 10 minutes, right? So in this particular video, basically in today's video, I'm not going to revise the vocabulary as I usually do, but I know that that's important, but in this particular video I'm not gonna to revise that, right? So yeah, basically in this video I'm gonna to discuss the topic how to manage dispute. Basically, if someone's if our fight happens with someone, anyone person, then how to solve the dispute. Basically, according to me, I'm not gonna to tell that how to solve, how to manage dispute in inside of your, so that your life will not, you know the bard, I think we call that, right? Your life will not get too much difficulties you have to face. Basically, the thing is that from whoever your fight happen, first you should stand and think about that what's correct and what's incorrect, right? And if you are unable to think about that, or if sometimes you think and sometimes you not think, so you kindly please write in notebook, so that you will not forget about it. Basically, the thing is that we can't conclude everything with a particular period of time. That's why I'm telling you that first we should write everything in a notebook. After that, we may in our heart says what's correct, what's not, right? So first of all, we should know that what we actually wanted to do. So first of all, you need to write it somewhere, and after that, after reading all the kinds of things what you have wrote there, after that you should make a perfect conclusion, right? Where your heart plus your mind will be the good coordinator. If your heart or mind is not coordinator, then I think you should go with your heart, right? Basically, no, like Papi Man, we have listened from very too much bhajan, so we should go for with our heart. I listen like that. I listen from some person that heart is always right, right? So basically, not in I'm not telling in that way in exam. Our heart says option C is correct. That is right. Basically, in a thinking way, in a social way, in a someone's helping way, and this kind of how to solve the dispute is always right. And something you know basically when we take our life's decision, social decision, personal decision, our hearts is always right. So yeah, basically after that we made a proper conclusion that what we want actually in our life, so that we made a proper conclusion. After that, after all the conclusion, after that we should take action on that particular thing, right? So basically that's the thing what I actually wanted to tell you. And yeah, and basically guys, basically too many person depressed, too many, because in a small dispute, but when a big dispute arises and someone tries to made you always anger, then try to take action. Don't go too much depression. Don't you know uh, don't be hunger. Hunger means you are not gonna to eat food because you are too much angry, and you are not gonna to talk to somebody, and you are not gonna. Yeah, but I think that at some time it is always correct that you are angry from someone, or a personal person you are angry, then you are not eating, then you are showing, you are asking for your justice. So on the period of time, I think that it, yes, you have to do, but or not always according to me, because it will basically this day. Suppose that around what? Suppose that you are very anger from someone, in 2nd February, right? And you didn't, from the last 24 hours you didn't eat any food, not drink water, and you are very angry and very sad. But after 1 year later, will someone knows about that you are hunger on that day? But your body as well as your emotion will, on that time will start decreasing, and your difficulties what you have done, you are suffering from starvation, right? So basically, after 1 year, this shows about your body is totally down, this all the kinds of thing will show. So that's why I'm telling you that follow how to manage your dispute I am discussed today you. So yeah, follow this step. I think that will help you. If not help, then ask some person who is mature and who has a capability to take you to go good direction. That ask to that person, and don't try to ask that person, because that person will make the proper decision in your life. But made a mature person, and that person who knows better than you, who knows you better than you, right? So yeah, basically I think that it is enough for you guys. So let's end the video, guys. See you, bye bye.